Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Keychron Q6 Max, a full-sized wireless mechanical keyboard that's been making waves in the custom keyboard community. This isn't just another keyboard. It's a statement piece that blends premium materials, advanced features, and a customizable experience. The Q6 Max boasts a full metal construction, giving it a substantial weight and a premium feel. It's available in a sleek carbon black color with side-printed keycaps, which adds a touch of understated elegance. The 100% full-size layout provides all the keys you need for both work and play. One of the standout features of the Q6 Max is its wireless capabilities. It supports 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.1, and Type-C wire connectivity, offering flexibility for any setup. The 1000 Hz polling rate ensures a responsive and lag-free experience, whether you're gaming or typing. The Q6 Max is designed for comfort and sound. It features a combination of reinforced multi-layer acoustic foam and a double gasket design. This combination provides a satisfying typing experience while also ensuring superior sound quality. Each keystroke feels and sounds deliberate, without any unwanted hollowness or pinging. For those who love to tinker, the Q6 Max is a dream come true. It's QMK VIA programmable, which means you can remap any key or create custom macros to suit your workflow. The hot swappable sockets are compatible with almost all MX-style 3-pin and 5-pin mechanical switches, giving you the freedom to experiment with different switch types without soldering. The version I have here comes with Keychron banana switches, which offer a tactile bump and a satisfying sound. Keychron has also paid attention to the details. The screw-in PCB stabilizers on the larger keys, like the spacebar, shift, enter, and delete, provide a stable and smooth typing experience. This attention to detail elevates the Q6 Max above many other custom keyboards on the market. The Keychron Q6 Max is compatible with macOS, Windows, and Linux, making it a versatile choice for any user. Whether you're a gamer, a programmer, or a writer, this keyboard can be customized to meet your specific needs. In conclusion, the Keychron Q6 Max is a top-tier wireless mechanical keyboard that offers a premium experience. Its full metal construction, advanced features, and customizable design make it a standout choice for anyone looking to upgrade their typing experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.